Max Your Journey Tribe. Welcome back to your favorite camping YouTube channel. My name is Alvin. If you aren't already subscribing to the channel, do that right now. I'm telling you, I'm forcing you to push the subscribe button and the thumbs up button. So we have the review or the update of our 2020 Sunset Trail 289 QB. It's been about 8 months. We got this about January 3rd as a replacement model. We had the 2019 last season. This is the 2020. So I want to give you guys our thoughts about it. And if you've been following the channel, you might have seen the video where they misplaced our camper. And if you've been following for a little bit longer, you might have found the video where we got this camper actually replaced and how we did that. If you're interested, check out those videos. But stay tuned for another episode of Max Your Journey. All right, this is where it all started back in the winter time, right here with the 2020, me shooting a horrible video that hopefully you checked out because I gave you the review of our 2020 Sunset Trail 289 QB. Let's start right here in the storage. Pros and cons. We do kind of like this because the hookups are, safely and warm out of the weather inside here, but this area seems to hold water in there. But we do love the quick disconnect, which saves us on the battery right there. So when we don't want to hook up the shore power and sit in the driveway for a little bit, saves that power till we actually need it. Other than that, no main issues on this back side. Did notice that this is peeling off a little bit, but on my old one, it actually ripped through the seals right here. So far, so good. About 8 months into it. And it also could be because this one came straight from the factory. It did not sit on a lot, so it's not older than what it actually is. It was made just for us. So again, that could add up later on. The black tank sensor does seem to get caught up. So I would say that's a con because you want to know how much is in there. But these jacks, not jacks, absolutely not jacks. Let's see, let's go around. These stabilizers, these electric stabilizers have been nothing but wonderful, man. Saves you so much sweat and time. So I absolutely love these on this model, and I believe a lot of campers going forward will just go with this as a main package because it's absolutely a time saver. The outside kitchen, pros and cons. The mini fridge seems to only work when you're hooked up to shore power. That's okay, but I would rather it be tied into the propane, as right now I have the propane running for the fridge and it's ice and cold, but this is not. I have to still hook it up to the shore power. We use this nice shelf on top now for a perfect place to put our Blackstone and our canisters. Sometimes Dee will have the crock pot sitting out here on top of this shelf, and we'll go hang out for the day. It'd be hooking that plug, keeps the heat down inside, a lot of the smells outside, and lets you take in the beautiful scenery. Now this grill is gorgeous. We still have yet to use it because it is just so hard to clean. I mean, these grates look good until you actually have to clean it. Hold on one second. But then you look under here and that does not come out. So it's nice and shiny because we haven't had to clean it. But if we did, it would become a mess probably. So that's kind of a drawback. We did like the 2 burners, cooking outside, crab pots outside, cooking, just outside on the 2 burners because we have a grill already like most people do. Now these solid steps have been everything that we advertised. I cannot speak about the mow rides, but these solid steps touching the ground make so much of a difference. I hope every single camper from now on comes with these. And if it doesn't, we won't be buying it. I can tell you that now. The 20-pound LP tanks in the front seem to last a long time. We haven't been in the winter months using the actual furnace, so that might be a reason why. The only issue out here, I would say, is some of these screws around the base. Look who it is. Hey, buddy. Have seemed to start backing off. Like underneath here. But even worse, I have one down here. I'll show you. On the other side of this step. Right here. Take a look at that. I think I lost 2 already. So I'm gonna have to tighten that up, find some replacements, and get it done. I'm gonna take you guys inside, show you a little tour. Okay, let's start in the bedroom. Bedroom has the big king size bed. We also have a couple little touches we put around. I have some more decorations I'll show you that we're going to use. Underneath storage for the bed has been excellent. We've been keeping our seasonal decorations under there, a couple extra pillows, throw blankets, all that good stuff. Check out our TV situation. I love the pocket doors. I dislike that they do get caught up down here at the bottom. Sometimes this door go back too far and it'll get caught up. You have to remember to adjust that. So that's nothing really to complain about, just something to look out for. We have this 40-inch TV in here. I don't know if it's overkill. I think it's perfect. I even have a swivel mount on the back that allows it to come out even further. I love it. I think it's perfect. If you want to hang out in here on a rainy day and the kids watch TV in the other room, or you want to put them in here, plenty of TV, plenty of space to see what's going on. And as you see from me sliding the door back, it tucks away perfectly, hidden away here, and just, adjust the little latches. Now we have started to use this little cabinet when you come in for shoes, trash can, just small storage so you don't have to track stuff throughout the inside of the camper. We'll focus on the entertainment stand right here. This is also a 40-inch. We put a little greenery, our little candles, decoration in there. We do use the storage underneath for like trash bags, supplies, stuff like that. The couch, we love it. I wish there was a little bit more room when it's out to pass through. You still can, but it's a little tighter for some people maybe. But we love the couch. It gives you a great option to relax, watch those movies while the TV is out, and on a nice swivel towards the couch there. So make our way to the kitchen here. Love the stainless steel sink. It's a big upgrade that we did love. Now it does seem to get scratched up a little bit more. You can put things down there to save it. I think we're a little bit too late behind that, but I still might try. We use these for our storage, for our cabinets. For our kitchen tools and utensils. Not much going on down here. A couple like junk drawers and storage. Still in love with this fridge. The Knorr cold fridge is absolutely amazing. It's huge. It saves so much time cooling off that it gets cold so quick. Okay, we definitely utilize this space up here. Wish there was a little bit more areas for certain things, but it's fine. Okay, a con right here is our unit up here was placed not 100% sealed, so therefore there's a little teeny gap. And when you have that air blowing out of this vent, when you close it, it made this whistle so loud. We had to get some tape up here. So I might do a better tape job and kind of hide that, but it's noisy, man. It makes a lot of noise. Okay, dinette has been great. These are the new decorations going up. I'll be throwing those up here in a little bit, as you can take a look. Asher's just checking them out for me. He's tagging along. We did add a nice rug in here to cut down on the wear of the floor. I love that it's a darker color, doesn't show us much dust and dirt. I was having a little issue with this I believe it was an LP tank that was full of air causing it to trigger. I'm waiting to see. I just filled that tank up a couple hours ago. Hasn't been making any noise so far. Okay, we make it to our wonderful, not so spacious bathroom. This would be a con. If you're on this potty right here, this toilet, it is a little bit tighter. Let's just check me out right here. So you go in here, you close the door. I mean, you got a little bit of room right there, but you can see your leg touches. And it's just not as spacious as you would like. It's workable. So you got to remember that with a camper. It's made to be used and function, not spacious. Other than that, I love the skylight in here. I'm 6'6". My head barely goes up there just because of the curved roof. And then you throw the dome for the skylight in there. Love that. So it's has its drawbacks. Like I said, that toilet being so close to the door, wide legs, might not be the greatest situation, man. Okay, we make it to the bunkhouse. Go ahead, Asher. You can go check it out. Okay, I did have to add a ladder. Did not come with a ladder. I cut this one down, got it off Amazon. And we usually let it be free so the kids can move it from this side to this side. Asher likes having it sometimes, then Ace will come along and he'll get it. We're going to throw a TV up here. But this being functional, it's been plenty. It's been just what we needed. A bunkhouse. I'm going to step out, show you the area. Okay, Asher doesn't want me to. But it's been great. Having that bunkhouse, the kids got their own space, their own cabinets. They love it. So, let's see. So, to wrap it all up, I would say, speaking for myself and the Maxwell tribe, the family, this camper has been great. We love it. We would definitely buy another one. It started off rough with Sunset Trail, but we love this model. There's been nothing major tearing apart, no roof leaks, no soft spots in the floor. We love that it looks a little better than some of the other ones that are priced about the same. They look a little cheaper to us. Everything is made cheaply in the camper, but this one has a stronger luxury feel to it. Glass, and all that good stuff. So I love it. Let's ask Asher. You like this camper? What you like about this camper? You like playing? Okay. So he likes playing and outside. So that wraps it up. So again, guys, Asher decided to hang out with me and make this video. Hit the like button if you like supporting me and Asher and the Maxwell tribe. We got some more videos coming soon. We got a special where we're going to be throwing some drinks together. We're going to show you guys our favorite fall drinks since fall is upon us, as you've seen from the decorations. Also, hit that subscribe button. It'll just give you a little teeny reminder when we drop a video that might interest you. And if you got questions, let us know in the comments what you like about our camper, what you like in a camper. You might have a different setup that you want to know about, and maybe we can show you guys that. So please, let us know in the comments. Hit the like button and comment below what you're looking for in your camper. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.